and welcome to IMBX and the lovely IMB campus. A lot of stakeholders are involved in making the IMBX project a success. We thought we'll give you an insight into the lives of some of our PRAs. We asked them a few questions, one of which was, how do they think MOOCs help students worldwide? Here's what they said.
MOOCs, as we all know, is available online, anytime, anywhere, and it being free, it is available to anyone. So that helps, really scale, to a wider audience.
So you would have all dreamt about learning from one of the best universities in the world, like IMB, Harvard, Columbia. And now, with the help of MOOCs, you can enroll for these courses and you can learn from one of the best faculty members in the world.
Adding to that, students can learn on their own pace. They can pause the video, they can resume the video at their own convenient time. Whenever they have doubts, they can rewind the video and they can see it later also.
In our course, we have people from 190 and odd countries, taking our course. So that is the, kind of reach and value that it can provide.
We were very interested to know what would motivate them to take up an online course. Here's what they responded.
For me, what's important is the content, the professor who's offering the course, his area of expertise, and the university which is offering the particular subject in question.
For me, it's in the other way. I don't find any time to go for a certification course either in a weekday or in a weekend. So I would prefer a MOOC and I'll get a verified certificate.
One of the reasons has been that, I've never heard that, subject before, and I'm kind of intrigued by it, and, I want to just get a flavor of the subject, then, I enroll for the course. And at other times, when I'm very familiar with the subject, but if I see that, there is some new insight or something profound being, kind of taught in the course, then I would enroll. So these have been the reasons.
A lot of you must be wondering if you need prior experience to become a PRA. Let's ask them.
No, actually you do not need to have a prior experience to do such kind of work. You should be passionate about doing it because it's more of a creative job, and you should have fair bit of idea of what the instructor wants to present it, and you also would want to visualize how a student would want to see it.
I would say yes. I mean, first of all, the teaching assistants or research assistants obviously, will need to be well versed with the subject so that they can add value to discussion forums and, creation of content. Secondly, I think it would also help if they have had experience, creating, presentations or multimedia content or even online content, various types of online content.
I'm helping to develop a MOOC on Indian healthcare markets. And my background is actually that of a research scientist. I have a PhD in molecular biology. So qualifications wise, maybe not, but definitely I think if you have the interest and the dedication, you don't really need a lot of prior experience to develop a MOOC.
I am from aerospace engineering background. So now I am here doing finance courses and statistics courses. It is a completely different perspective, and the kind of background that I have come from, it gives me more leg room to play around with the courses because I can actually visualize how would I want to see this course for me to understand the course. So that helps me a lot.
I think prior experience doesn't really matter, but still I hold a post-graduation degree in operations management and I work for the Introductions to Operations Management Part 1 course. I do have a bit of teaching experience in my past career where I taught more than 7,500 students in the field of quantitative ability and logical reasoning. By that way, it's very helpful for me.